Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to disable Microsoft Outlook notifications on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, to disable the notifications from Microsoft Outlook, here you have two ways to disable it: by Microsoft Outlook applications or the settings application here. For the first way, which is from the settings, you just have to scroll it down until you'll find here the notifications and status bar. Tap on it, and then here you will see any application at the bottom right here. And if you wanna disable or if you wanna stop the notifications from Microsoft Outlook, you just have to go to find Outlook option like this, and now you just have to disable or turn off the button beside the Outlook. So on this phone, there are no notifications for Microsoft Outlook, guys. And after here, for the second way, which is from the Outlook application, just tap on it, and then in this home page, go to your icon account at the top left, and after go to the settings icon at the bottom. And here in the settings page, again, you just have to scroll it down until you find here the notifications. Just tap on it. Now, as before, you just have to tap on the button beside the allow notifications. Here I'm gonna tap on it. So if this allow notifications option, the button is already turned off, there are no notifications again from the Microsoft Outlook in this phone, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.